What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and welcome back to Hallow-Queen series. Today is look number 8, Pop Art Zombie, featuring my sister. So this is Chrissy, my older sister, and she decided she wanted to volunteer to be my next victim. So today I'm turning her into a zombie because I did a look on her a really long time ago. I forget when I did that, but yeah, I wanted to do something new on her. So right now I'm just sketching out different parts that I want to like expose her bones, have like some type of zombie goop on it, or you know, just have some cuts open, things of that nature. So for those who don't know, a pop art zombie is what I did also last year. It's a little cartoonish, but it also has like a really like weird, scary aspect to it. It's not the realistic looking zombie looks, as you guys know. So yeah, this one's a little bit more I guess watered down, as you can say, but still scary, you know, depending on what you do. But yeah, those are the two reasons. I just wanted to bring my sister on camera, and I really have gotten better with my body painting skills over the years now. I didn't realize this is literally the 3rd year I've been body painting, and your girls came a long way from doing it. So right now I'm just really having fun and making it spooky, making it like extra nasty as possible. Like I'm giving her a whole lot of like what's the word I'm looking for? I really want to have a lot of exposed bones in this one compared to my last one. So I just like having a comparison for years to come to see like how my skills have grown. So yeah, so I'm just having a whole lot of fun and just talking trash with my sister, mom, and family friends. So we're just all just chatting it up while I paint on my sister. So I had to grab myself some new paints, and of course I had to grab Make It Looks new paint. She created her own paints, and she's my favorite body painter of all time. And I'm using the shade Neptune. This blue is so opaque. Okay, first of all, this is only one layer of the blue, and literally it's so gorgeous. So I know my sister's favorite color is blue, so I decided to use that. But I didn't realize that this blue would be so creamy and just so opaque. Like, oh my god, it's amazing. Like literally, like I didn't have to overlap, I didn't have to go back over it, there wasn't no streaky parts. Like literally, like this is like body painter's dream come true for real. Next, I'm going to be coloring in her bones, of course using a white body paint from Mayron. And then right after, I will be filling in where our zombie goop will be, and that will be the color yellow. So now I am using the Made You Look paint and the shade Cherry, and I'm just using that to fill in the background of her bones or the inside of her body. So now I'm just simply outlining everything with, and pretty much you just want to make sure you're as loose as possible because it's supposed to be cartoonish. So don't be too critical if the lines are a little messed up. Like sometimes I messed up and I kind of liked it that way because again, it's not supposed to be perfect. So now we are creating the teeth. I'm starting off by just using a teardrop shaped brush, and I'm letting it do the work for me. And I'm just mapping out where I will have her teeth placed when it comes to her exposed skull. Again, I'm extra. I like a lot of teeth. That's just my preference. So you don't have to do as many teeth as I do. But again, I'm extra and I just think it looks really cool with a whole bunch of teeth, and it looks a little bit more scarier. So yeah, so now I'm just using a finer brush and some black body paint, and I'm just defining the teeth and making sure they actually are shaped the way I want them to be shaped. And my sister's probably mad at me right now because she wants to say something really bad. My mom is messing with her right now, and I said she couldn't talk until I got around and the paint dried. And then at that point, I am going to go around and start creating where her exposed mouth is with some more red body paint, and I'm also going to color in around her eye area. So right now I'm just using that black body paint again, and I am just outlining all the parts that I just created on her face. So right now I am starting shading. So I'm going to use dark brown for the red, black for the white, orange for the yellow part, and dark blue for the blue part. This go around with Halloween, I really want to practice with my shading and light. I really have a hard time with that, so I really want to challenge myself to do better with it, and I'm coming along, you know, just certain things that I would like to keep practicing with. So I want to just do pieces more and more that will help me learn more about shadow and light, you know. Now I'm adding like where the skin is being stretched. Of course, zombie skin is a little older, so of course we're going to have more wrinkles, and I'm just adding a little bit more extra details with the shading, also adding a little details to the bones inside that are exposed. And now I'm using the NYX white liner, the matte white liner, and I'm just using that to kind of highlight where them stretches are. And I kind of regret highlighting around her nose area because it looks a little stupid to me now looking back. And I'm also giving her a very bold eyebrow. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by giving me a comment down below and a like, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.